Introducing a mower and chainsaw sales, service and repair business for sale, Thornton, New South Wales. Established for over 23 years and run by the current owner for 6 years, this business is an excellent investment in a prime location with no local competition and would provide a solid income for a new owner. The business sells high quality and competitively priced outdoor power equipment and also provides after-sales service and repairs for its clients. Operating 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday and Saturday 8:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., the business has excellent leasehold premises with the option to renew lease with the landlord. The business stocks a wide range of big, well-known brands including Stihl, Massport, Adam, Walker, Bobcat and Razorback. The products sold include push and self-propelled lawnmowers, ride-on lawn tractors, zero-turn lawnmowers, whippersnippers, brush cutters, wood chippers, chainsaws, hedge trimmers, leaf blowers, log splitters, generators and pressure washers and more. The business also provides servicing and repair of most outdoor power equipment. This is a fantastic opportunity to run your own business with great returns and is easy to grow. It could continue its success as a standalone business or work well as a bolt-on to an aligned business that may be looking to expand into the area. All stock at value is included in the sale, which is around $220,000 to $260,000, along with all shop equipment and a 2002 Daily Iveco vehicle.